What I did wrong?
I stopped you because you ran that red light. You didn't make a complete stop. That's a lie.
What you talking about? You must be out your mind. I'll sit there. Oh no. Oh no.
I don't say
Oh
nothing.
no. Oh no.
I don't say nothing.
What did I do wrong? You ran the red light. You didn't fully stop. That's a lie. A simple traffic stop quickly turns into something very different when the camera reveals the truth. This clip has already reached nearly 17 million views on TikTok. The driver was in the bike lane. He's even an emergency medical worker, and he clearly states the officer saw him and smiled, yet she still accuses him. The key detail? She's wearing a body camera, and that camera will expose the lie. A family was driving peacefully when they were pulled over without any legitimate reason. The moment the officer claimed he ran the light, both the husband and his wife knew it was false. He calmly asked what violation he supposedly committed, but when she insisted he didn't fully stop, he immediately pushed back and demanded a supervisor, telling her she wouldn't get away with rewriting events. His wife refused to stay silent. She stood by her husband, defended the truth, and didn't allow the officer to control the narrative. Minutes later, the supervisor arrived, and the driver remained confident because he knew he hadn't broken any law. Once the body cam footage was reviewed, the false accusation collapsed instantly. This wasn't just a random traffic stop. It was a family who knew their rights and defended them to the end, and they won. Share your thoughts in the comments, and remember, always record, always stand your ground against baseless accusations.
A bitch. Well, let's go.
Hey,
Yeah.
you all right?
What you mean? I was telling the dude to go. He acted like he was scared to go. It wasn't on you. Oh, I got this. What's she tripping on?
I do not know. Should ask her why you stopped.
I don't know what she stopped me for. What traffic infraction? I got a traffic infraction? What I did wrong?
I stopped you because you ran that red light. You didn't make a complete stop. That's a lie.
What you talking about? You must be out your mind. I'll sit there. Oh no. Oh no.
I don't say
Oh
nothing.
no. Oh no.
I don't say nothing, but you are lying.
No. You're not gonna get on this one.
You
Call
are
your
lying.
supervisor. Call your supervisor. Okay, wait for him to come around. Don't do that to me.
Are you serious?
Don't do that to me.
I'm in the building. I make sure.
We say the cop right there. You talking about him? You think I'ma just
and
you right there? You good? Better go look at it.
You better go look at
Cause
that.
Sophie gonna have a lawsuit this
That's
time.
wrong.
I'm not finna go through this one. You're not gonna violate my civil rights.
I ain't got no.
So you saying that I ran that light?
That's a lie.
No.
Oh,
You
my
saying
God.
that I did not stop?
You were honking your horn at the man in front of you.
You right. I did that. Now you saying I did a run on. You saying that?
That's what you saying.
Yeah, you better go
That's
look at
what
that
you
camera
saying.
first. I'm telling you.
Cause that's a lie.
I was already recording
I
him.
don't say much,
So
but
go
that's
ahead on.
a lie. That's a lie.
Go ahead on.
That is a
Go do
lie.
what you do.
Why were you recording that old man? Is that what
I could do what I want to do. I'm not answering them. I'm not answering no I'm not answering no more questions. You gonna write the ticket, write the ticket. I'm not answering no more questions. I'm quiet. Fifth Amendment from here on.
That's a lie, ma'am.
For what traffic infraction? What are you pulling me over for?
Running that red light. That's a
Okay.
lie.
You
That
good.
is a
You
lie,
good.
ma'am. Are you serious? Are you serious?
You good?
No, you lying right now.
I'm going straight to the police
He
department.
did stop.
I'm going straight to.
This is my
Yeah, I'm going
motherfucking
straight
car.
to them. Yeah.
That's wrong.
Sorry ass motherfucker.
Man,
Y'all fucking sad.
that's sad.
Fucking sad, man.
That's sad. Come on.
That's shit. That's bull.
That's a lie. Wow. And it be them bitches right now. Them women.
Yeah.
It be because shit.
But it's cool.
That lady stopped me one time. Told me I had no lights. I had some lights. I didn't have my lights on. That's a lie.
That's a lie. You're lying.
Oh my God.
You better review that video.
How she
Because
gonna,
I'm going all the way on this one.
how she gonna review a video and she went behind you? Huh?
I don't want to talk to you because you didn't pull me over.
crazy. Some bullshit. Are you serious?
Yeah. Yeah. Y'all better get it together.
That's a lie. Nah, I would. That's a lie.
Hello, how you doing, sir?
How you doing?
You want to speak to the supervisor?
Man, look. She right on the side of me. I blew at the horn for them people to go. They just sitting at the light, they turning. And then when I got to the light, I stopped. She right on the side of me, and she gonna say I ran the thing. Are you crazy?
That's a lie.
Are you crazy?
That is a
the
lie.
cop right there, and I'm just gonna do a run on to get a
run
ticket.
on right there in
I
front of
didn't
the
do
lady.
that.
That's a lie.
I didn't do that.
That's
Say
a
again?
lie.
What just happened?
Right there. Right on the corner.
Right
Turn
on
in
the
right.
corner.
On 90. She needs to stop, man.
So y'all are headed westbound on Highway 90, and y'all took a right.
Exactly.
Yes.
Exactly.
Yes. And he stopped. He stopped.
I'm sitting there talking about the other dude in front of me. I'm like, he's scared because a cop on the side of him to make a legal turn. And then I blew the horn. So, man, go. And then when I got there, I stopped. I'm going to tell him to just go and just run. That's some bullshit, bro.
That's a lie.
They ain't got to do this, man. They got to
That's a
stop doing
lie,
this like that, man.
Sir.
I take,
That's a lie.
It's difficult for me to hear two people talking at the same
Well,
time.
let me
you know
see.
what's going on.
I'm the pastor. That's a lie, sir. I don't know what she's talking about, but that's a lie. This is my vehicle. He's driving my vehicle, and why would he do it in front of the cops?
You gotta be a damn dummy to do something like that.
You
She's
have
lying.
to be a dumb motherfucker
She
to do
is
that.
lying,
She is
bro.
lying.
I don't never even get like this, but she lying.
Yeah, I don't even get like that, and she's lying.
Bro, I'm not trying to pay no money to Salford City for something I didn't do.
Relax for me, I'll be right there.
Thank you.
Review that video, sir.
Sorry?
She says she got a video. She told me she has a video of me doing the run on. Go review that video.
That's lying.
You're supposed to protect and serve.
All right, Lord. That's enough. This is crazy. This is absolutely crazy.
And she still got my license.
She took you got with your license?
She asked for my license. And she said I did a run on. So I got to give her a license.
Talking about
That's fucking stupid.
that's stupid.
Go look at my record. Go look at my fucking record and see how long I've been clean. Man, they need to get these fucking fucked up ass cops, bro. They need to get these cops off the street, bro. They need to get them off the street.
That lady lying on her ass.
They need to get all them type people off the street.
So I was able to review her video, and unfortunately, I can't see.
Well, why she lied?
She's
Hold on.
so y'all are on the side of her.
Yes.
So what I'm telling you is, I can't see from that video. All I see is y'all coming out. So what I'm gonna do is, because she's telling me one thing, I can't see otherwise on the video. So I'll give you that back. Y'all have a good day.
Thank you.
sir.
Thank you. I appreciate
Need more
it.
cops like you.
Police in Louisiana stop a man and accuse him of running a red light, but he made a complete stop and has a live stream to prove it. The officer keeps insisting, "You didn't stop," and he fires back, "That's a lie." When pressured, he immediately invokes his legal rights, the Fifth Amendment right to remain silent, and requests a supervisor. The female officer claims she has video evidence, but when the supervisor shows up and reviews it, he admits the footage shows no violation at all. They have no choice but to return his documents and let him go. This man stayed calm, recorded everything, and forced the officers to be accountable. If more people understood and used their rights like this, police would think twice before making things up. Always record, stay silent, and ask for a supervisor when needed. That night, he stood his ground and he won.